Armor, Snake! Careful, they're worth millions of dollars each.
Millions of dollars, got it! Jesus. My bad. My bad. Won't happen again. God. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Come on, Scarlet Bay. You ain't all right. We gotta get in this fight.
Tracking signal is good. Don't let go of that truck, Snake Eyes.
Let's get that bastard off the roof.
They're driving right into the heaviest traffic. What kind of escape route is that?
Maybe they're not trying to escape. Maybe they're heading somewhere.
Possible target?
Yes. Someplace with a lot of metal.
They're gonna blow it up. All units! All units!
Guys, you have to stop them!
Yeah, we're working on it.
I mean right now! They're going to detonate one of the warheads of the iPhone tower!
Crush him! Snake! He's underneath! Kill him! That redhead is really starting to piss me off. Oh, shit! Oh, God!
I got you.
Nice save, Slick.
Come on, don't stop being all nice to me now. Gotta go.
Get in!
All right, Rick, let's take this thing down! Hang on, Snake!
Try this on for size, boys.
We lost them!
Cut through that building across the street!
Where's the door?
Made one.
Right! Come on, Russ! I'm coming! I'm coming!
I don't have them! Where are they?
They're evacuating the tower.
We're only 2 kilometers away.
Snake, we're running out of time. You gotta do something. It's now or never.
He gave up?
He never gives up.